Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to open quick settings by using keyboard shortcut. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this you have to press on your keyboard windows+a. Here you can see the quick settings in your laptop. You can find here your Wi-Fi settings, your Bluetooth settings, accessibility, airplane mode and you can add another application which you want. And by clicking here you can go to your settings. That's it. So this is how you can open quick settings with windows+a. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.